Today on the Pros and Cons channel, we are looking at this Camuland 22psi air pump. "12 volts, 600 watts, indoor use only." It feels well made and durable. It has separate inflate and deflate ports. It comes with a 1 meter or 40-inch hose and a long 3 meter or 10-foot power cord. This is the 1 meter hose and 6 adapters for different applications such as paddleboard, yoga ball, airbed, and more. This is retailing for around £47 sterling or $60 US. Pros: good value, good quality, well made, nice shark design, few different adapters, set up to 22 psi use, psi or bar works, quickly to inflate and deflate, reasonable sound levels, long 1 meter hose and 3 meter power cord. Cons: no carry case, not rechargeable, works solely off cigarette lighter. The words inflate and deflate are a bit hard to read.